Well, it's a Rheem tank from Home Depot. I think it was put in August of maybe September of 2020. The gas control is bad. This is a homeowner special. As you can see, flex line. Interesting, but we're gonna get this thing drained out. And we're gonna change the gas control. Oh, jeez, I need a new hose. And the fitting on the end of this doesn't work anymore. Cut these fittings off here and put new ones on. The hose is still good. Oh, jeez, oh, Pete's, dude. Seriously. That on there. This. Get this over the drain. And we're gonna get the floor wet. Gotta get the floor wet. Hopefully the valve is. Jeez. Everything needs to be changed on this thing. Shut the gas off and then fire this puppy up. I like this valve leaks through. Old valve leaks through. Alright, let me pause you here and we'll get this drained. Well, we got the gas shut off. We're draining the tank. This taken care of. Homeowner. Get out of there. Seems like we do a lot of gas controls on Rheems. I think there's a recall on them if I don't not a recall, but a bulletin on these valves. I'm gonna go get all that tape's in there. I'm gonna go get a 6-inch black pipe so I can spin this thing, because I can't get a wrench behind it. Now I got my 8-inch pipe here. We're gonna give this a try because I am sick of waiting. I'm sure we won't get any water in our tubes here. Oh. Got it broke loose. should be almost done. A lot of you guys asked about no dope on the valve. It already comes from the factory taped. Why am I going to put dope on it? But I got some just for you. Oh yeah, we're drained enough. And we'll get this one spun on here. Come on, get in there. There we go. Dope for your pleasure. It's not paint. Get that on there. On the homeowner special. Homeowner special. I already asked him if he wanted this stuff fixed, and he said no. Doesn't have the cash right now. Because I don't like how the gas line is. The gas valve needs to be replaced. The gas cock. Piping is questionable. The valve, the water valve, is leaking through. Can only do so much. I should have a crescent wrench. Open end wrench. That's all I got in my hands right now.
I love those lights I put in here, you can see.
Yeah. Just wait. So it takes me longer to wait for this thing to drain down.
Oh, I could have drained that. Okay, I know. I had a hose.
That's alright, we got it.
was just a simple gas valve change. I think I was out there like 2 days ago, and I ordered the gas valve through Rheem since the tank was under warranty. It was only installed like, I think, September, August of last year. So yeah, it's under warranty, but I still got to charge a customer for labor and a diagnostic fee, you know, because they didn't buy the tank through us. It was a homeowner special. As you can see, it was piped in with corrugated pipe and flexible gas line. Nothing was really changed on it. The gas cock wasn't changed. Not what we like to do or like to see. I asked him if he wanted it fixed. He said, no, that's fine. So that was his choice. So I mean, that's just simple gas valve change. We drained the tank, slapped a new valve in, started it up, did a gas leak check just for you guys. Got a little blue dope in there, and we were all set with that one. So I will see you on the next one. I think I'm going out to change a gas valve on a Lennox that was diagnosed by another tech. So maybe I can get some video on that one. I'll see you guys on the next one.